feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Yeah guys, good morning guys. How you all doing? Just woke up from sleep, not quite long. I slept late. Like I slept around, I think I slept last night around 1. Sleep was not coming forth. I was watching interesting Nigerian movies. So I got hooked on is it Roots Cardi B 247? Yeah, I think I got hooked on her YouTube video. Is all about marriage and the rest. Like her videos, like her movies are really come say camera, what they call it again, very entertaining one. It's a life lesson too. Like I learn a lot about marriage and everything from that channel. Like that's her YouTube videos are amazing. Yeah, by the way, so I want to make breakfast, so I'm watching Sean's Family TV. Let me just put the volume down. Let me just put the volume down a bit. Wait. Okay, let me just put the volume down. Yeah, so guys, 1 minute, don't go again. I want to make breakfast for hubby and baby girl. Yes, then we are going out. I'll take you guys along throughout Abuja because where I'm going to is a bit far, so I'll be dropping small clips of Abuja and the rest here. Any other thing that comes up, I will add it to the video. Thank you all so much for all the love and the support. Like, you guys are the best. In my previous vlog, I was complaining about the person that was, you know, talking nasty things about my dream and the rest. Anyway, I don't want to keep on ranting about that because somebody said it's not worth talking about. And yes, it's not worth talking about, but if you don't address it, they'll keep on saying it. Yeah, so you just have to address it. Anywho, so let's get the cooking started. I want to do fried potato. I got some potatoes and the things start getting bad, so you got to chop it because right now the cost of living in Abuja is too much. So guys, let's get today started. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever this pretty face pop up on your screen, and also like, a comment and share. Thank you all so much for the 4,500 subscribers. I really appreciate. My goal is to reach 5k, so we need 500 more people to subscribe. Yes, my goal is to reach 5,000 this year, and then next year, by God's grace, we'll achieve another goal. Yeah, so, and I'll see you all in my next clip. Don't skip the ads, guys. Don't skip it. Alright, kisses. Let's go. You want to smell it? So who woke up from sleep, guys? You want to say hello? Open your eyes now. Say hello to aunties and uncles. No? Alright guys, let's start the food.
No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath, boy, you got me free. hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Live a little, that is what they said when you turn around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once said. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on.
Yes. What is it doing? What happened? You hit your mouth? Good.
It's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you.
So guys, the food is ready and I'm dishing out for baby girl, and I also told her to go get her chair so that she can be a chair. Eh? Bring your chair now. Good girl. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. It's okay. Leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it. Miush, leave it. Aya, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Are you shy to this child? You don't do. It's okay now. Clap for yourself. Clap. Clap for yourself. No. You see, stick. Say that is hot. Say thank you. Say thank you. Miush. Miush. Say thank you. So hubby said I should not make his own chips. I should just do for baby girl. So that's what I'm doing. Then me, I'm going to have cornflakes for breakfast. Then we will go and bath. Hope I don't have copyright to this song. I have no right to the song playing in the background because my daughter is watching film. I don't know. And yeah, later.
Cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
So guys, this breakfast tastes so amazing. It's so natural. Like, this is just cornflakes. My sweetener is my apple and milk. So I decided to give baby girl some apple as well, and she's still eating her food. I sliced the egg for her and she's still eating.
Higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
See, I'm already to 11. Huh. Time has gone. I need to eat this now. Get ready. So I'm about to have my shower. I am just noticing some pimples that I don't know where they are coming from. So this is me after I'm done with my bath and all. So the next clip you guys will see is me wearing my outfit. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit. Okay, I really love the textile whatever feeling to it, and I'm wearing it paired with a golden slippers. It's almost same match of top baby girl is wearing, textile kind of color of top. Yeah, so I was telling her I should come because she wants to also show you guys what she's wearing. And this is us telling Papa bye bye because hubby was around that day. So this was us telling hubby bye. And after this, I also went to a shop to go get some baby stuff for my friend because she gave birth and we came to see the baby. Yeah, so please, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm done buying the stuff and we're on our way, and madam decided to play with the gifts that we bought. So I'll just show you guys few clips of the road trip, and I'll see you guys in
feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Yes, dog. Hey, it's a dog.
Everything you do,
Dog is cute.
hold me, take me higher, higher.
Oh my god. Dog. Yeah, dish for me. I'm hungry. Yeah. Dog. Eh?
No, I'm
Dog.
now that I've been with you.
This one.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I knew what it was
Oh.
for.
Oh.
Broken pieces, took 'em all and made
No, also, guy is serious. It's very serious. Oh.
every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you
It's so
take me
cute.
higher. You take me higher.
At least she's free.
You take me higher.
So guys, we are done with my friend's place and we are going home. We left in the evening. This is the sun setting and all. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is us at home. Baby girl playing with Papa and Papa was playing game. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of how this was how I spent the day that day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So far, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.